Hey guys, it's Mr. Golius, and I am taking a look at some quick fixes for your pages. Let's say that you have a template selected and there's all kinds of stuff, and you'd rather not go through deleting every single little piece. The easiest way to do this is go to Pages, and for me it's this blog page. I'd click on it. I'd just hit delete and get rid of this because maybe that's not the page I want, and I could just click a new one, the plus sign, I click standard, and now I can add whatever I want. So maybe it's going to be my call to action page, and it's going to be easier for me to just click done and start with a completely blank page, and now I can build this page out. Second thing I wanted to show you is how to use a spacer. If I just drop this in between my two parts of text, I can use this spacer to create as much space as I want or don't want, but that can definitely be helpful in organizing your page. The third thing I wanted to show you is how to solve the problem some of you are having with saving images. So let's say I found this image online. The problem people are having is this part that's called, it's saying JFIF. That will not work anywhere. That's not a proper file, so I need to change it to PG. And then I also want to just call this something that's going to make sense to me as well. Then I'm going to save that into my folder and into comp apps, and I can hit save, and now I have saved it. So now if I go to my Weebly site, I'm now ready to add in an image. So I can just drag my image in, click on this, click on upload from your computer, and I called it trophy 2. I can click open, and there it is. Now I have an image. Just a friendly reminder though, if the reason your images aren't working is if it has this JFIF, and that's why it won't work. Finally, an easy way to change the background, I just find an area that I want to right click real quickly. It's being a little stubborn here. There it is. Now I get the edit background. I click edit background. I click the edit button, and then I can click change image. And now I can pick out one of these designs that maybe I like. It's best to pick one that's either dark or light, but if you pick one that has both, and I'll show you one like this, what can happen is your text doesn't show up as good because it's light and dark. So I recommend either light or dark, but that's how you change a background as well. I hope you find this helpful. Good luck.